Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up a MongoDB Atlas connection string step by step clearly. To download and set up a MongoDB Atlas connection string, first, open your web browser and navigate to the MongoDB Atlas website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button and create a new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Next, click on Build a Cluster to start creating your database cluster. Choose the cloud provider and region that best suits your needs. Select the cluster tier based on your expected usage. After making your selections, click the Create Cluster button. Wait a few minutes for your cluster to be provisioned. Once the cluster is ready, click on Database Access in the left sidebar. Add a new database user by clicking on Add New Database User. Enter a username and password for your new user, ensuring to store these credentials securely. Next, navigate to the Network Access tab. Click on Add IP address to allow access to your cluster. You can either allow access from your current IP address or from anywhere. Once you've made your selection, click Confirm. Return to your cluster's dashboard by clicking on the Clusters tab. Click on the Connect button for your newly created cluster. In the connection dialog, select Connect your application. You will see your connection. Copy the connection string provided. Replace the username and password placeholders with the credentials you created earlier. Make any necessary adjustments to the database name and the connection string. Now, you can paste this connection string into your application code. You are now ready to connect to your MongoDB Atlas database. Proceed by running your application to establish the connection to your cluster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.